Danville Public Schools offers a career and technical education welding pathway designed to prepare students for high-demand careers in the skilled trades. In this program, students learn essential welding techniques, along with metal fabrication and blueprint reading. Students gain hands-on experience using industry-standard equipment while being guided by an experienced instructor. As they progress, they build real-world skills that can lead directly to employment after graduation or provide a strong foundation for further technical training.
We brought in a bunch of new CTE classes, and personally I've always been interested in welding. I've always found it interesting. Some of the processes we've learned is stick, TIG, MIG. We've also done flux core welding. I actually plan on, once I graduate, attending DCC and taking their welding program. This program is really going to help me get a job and pursue welding as a career.
The structural aspect of welding is really nice, and I think it gives you a really good alternative if college ends up not becoming an option for you. But there's also a really nice aspect to the artwork parts of it, which is what I like to do most. My favorite project that I've done was for my grandpa. I got a little bunch of spoons and forks, and I shaped them together with a reference photo, and I made a hummingbird out of them. I think I would like to pursue a career out of welding or wildlife, but if I had access to a shop in the future, I would definitely continue doing the artwork parts of welding.
Welding really has brought me an opportunity to expand and explore new things. I really enjoy repairing things for people. We have people come by just ask, hey, can you put this back together? Yeah, I love doing that, you know. I'd like to go to a welding school, maybe get my associate's degree, get an apprenticeship, and long term I'd like to start my own company, you know, travel the world doing what I love, weld.